It's a beautiful car.
Well, and Grace will make a running.
Yeah, the fact that it was fully restored before it was parked too was. That's amazing that it was fully restored. I wonder why he just took it for one drive and one show and that was it.
I don't know. I don't think he put 50 miles.
Yeah, frame off restoration before it was parked.
That's crazy.
Let's see if I can get. It's kind of hard. It's tight in here. But it's a beautiful car, man. I mean, it really is gorgeous. I mean,
Grace will make it beautiful, huh?
oh yeah. I mean, it's gorgeous that too. It just
He will clean it out. He will
it's a nice,
make it running.
unmolested, unrusted car.
Yeah.
I don't know why he let it sit. If I had this car, I'd be driving it every day. You know.
Look at the interior.
Let me open the door up. Oh, is it locked?
I don't know. Go to the other side.
Yeah, I think that door's locked. Let me go to the other side. Yeah, I mean, all the chrome and everything is nice. It's just dirty from sitting, but...
30 years. No, 34 years.
Yeah, man, she's nice. It's a really beautiful car. So it's funny though, these old cars, these door panels are so cool on these old cars.
Yeah.
Everything's metal and...
Yeah. Now, okay, let me know when you finish.
I'm almost done. I'm just gonna try to get over here so I can get up in the wheel wells and stuff. And show the bottom if I can get on the floor a little bit to show the bottom, that would be good. I mean, I know it's got no rust, but that's one. There you go. There's the rail right there. Nice and clean. It's a little dark, but you get the idea. So the trunk. Very cool, man. Spare tires there and everything.
That's the original tire.
I can see it. What is this here? Cooper cushion ride. Jacking the equipment. Yeah, she's nice.
No, just leave it up here.
Back there too is the trophy you won when you went to that car show that you talking about. Man, what a nice car. All right. Let's get the engine bay here. Some batteries. I know.
I've never seen one that small.
Yeah,
Only V8.
I mean, you wouldn't think so, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she's really, really pretty.
Yeah. Now let me show you this crazy.
All right, let me just turn this off.